Hello everyone, Ryan Frontline Animal Removal. And I want to show you a special raccoon. This is a special raccoon. What makes this raccoon special? She is untrappable. Well, how is she untrappable? She's in my cage. You ever heard the term, third time's a charm? Well, I'm the charm. Company A came out to this customer's home, set up traps, put a trap up on the roof right next to the hole, and they could not catch the raccoon. They threw their hands up in the air, they gave up and went away. And they're a big national company. You know, you'd think they would have some know-how to get the job done, but they failed. Then the homeowner called company number 2. Company number 2 tried something different. They put the traps on the ground. They put the traps in the wrong place on the ground, but they tried something different. And after a while, they threw their hands up in the air, they gave up and went away. So the customer finally called me. I came out, I set up my trap differently. Not only did I set my trap up differently, I went up in the attic and I got the baby raccoons. This is Mama Raccoon. Mama Raccoon didn't like the trap, but we forced her into it. So we caught her in less than 24 hours. I made the repair to the soffit to keep the raccoons out for good, and the baby raccoons are gone. So if you're having trouble with a raccoon that won't get caught, won't walk near your trap, who's not cooperating, give us a call. We'll try something different, and we'll make them go away. Thank you.